When it comes to Dex Arbitrage Trading, spotting of the opportunity really matters, because matter of fact, without spotting the opportunity, there is no way that the arbitrage trading or that the Dex Arbitrage Trading is going to even take place at all in the first place for the profit to even be made. So spotting it plays a very significant role. That is the more reason I'll be using this simple strategy to show you how to do it. There are a whole lot of strategy I've been sharing on this channel, from Dex Screener to different ones, like, there are tons of them. But I'm going to be showing you this particular one that I feel like everybody should know, and it is quite very easy to understand. This one is by making use of coinmarketcap.com. Do you know that with your coinmarketcap, your regular coinmarketcap.com, you can actually spot high quality Dex arbitrage trading opportunity even without using Dex Screener. So once you've opened up coinmarketcap.com, by default it is going to look something like this. As you can see, if I should now head over to this place called Coin Markets or Markets, it will now take me straight to the home page as it is by default. So on this section you can see various cryptocurrency and their prices. They are really going down, pretty much. But that's not really the case, because in arbitrage trading, irrespective of the condition of the market, you are going to continuously make money, because it will not require you to predict the direction of the market. All you need to do is to spot an inefficiency, and then you capitalize on the inefficiency. As simple as that. So right now on coinmarketcap.com, all you're going to be doing is to click on this section. As you can see, we have a lot of section here. We have all network, BSC and the likes, but you need to only click on Solana, because we're going to be doing it based off of Solana ecosystem. So on Solana, our obligation is to pick any cryptocurrency from here. Since it is on the Solana ecosystem, we are going to pretty much pick any crypto from here. Then I will show you what to do next. Let's go for this one called let's go for Uni. We have Uni. Let's go for Uni. So let's quickly scroll down there and look for the smart contract of it. Like, matter of fact, it shouldn't even take like few minutes. We should be through with this, like, for real. So as you can see, here is a smart contract of it. So I have looked up Uniswap on Radium. Let me click on it, and I'm going to use Max. And as you can see, we should get this price. Look at, one sold is about 24.95 uni. Okay, 24.95. So we're going to still look it up on Jupiter. So right here on Jupiter, let us still do the same thing. This will enable us to know where the differences really lies. And as you can see, this one is at 24.21. So the previous one was about, I think, 24.90 something. So apparently the previous one was trading at a much higher price, and this one is trading at a lower price. So let us quickly do the execution, and let's see what we will get, because we are going to buy it from here. and quickly sell it on to the other one. This will now help us to retain that little margin difference. That's how it's done. Let me head over here. And now, after buying it there, I'm going to refresh. And here you go. We now have about this quantity 4.20 4.20202 of uni.